Moving on to problem 2. This problem says, Jennifer says you can use addition to solve subtraction. She says to solve 9 minus 6 equals blank, just add 9 plus 6. Explain how Jennifer is right and wrong using pictures or using words, pictures, and numbers. So Jennifer is saying two different things. Jennifer is saying you can use addition to help you solve subtraction. That's the first thing she's saying. The next thing she's saying is that in order to solve 9 minus 6, you just put 9 and 6 together. So what she's saying is that if I do 9 minus 6, I'm going to get the same answer that I would if I put 9 and 6 together. I need you to explain if she is correct with pictures, words, or numbers. You can do math drawings, you can do number bonds, you can do number sentences. But show me, is she correct? Can you use 9 minus 6 equals how many? By putting 9 and 6 together.